Finding that your Anbernic Rg35xx is not charging can become annoying, especially when the battery stays empty or the device refuses to power on after being plugged in. Many users notice no charging icon appearing, the console staying stuck on low battery, or charging working briefly before stopping again. Sometimes the device feels completely unresponsive even while connected to power. In many situations, an Anbernic RG35XX not charging issue can happen because of charging cable interruptions, adapter problems, battery communication glitches, or temporary power issues. Before reconnecting everything repeatedly or assuming the console stopped working completely, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the Anbernic RG35XX charging properly again. 1. Connect the Anbernic RG35XX using another charging cable or adapter and confirm the connection feels secure. 2. Leave the Anbernic RG35XX plugged in for several minutes because a fully drained battery may respond slowly. 3. Check the charging port carefully and remove any dust or obstruction affecting power connection. 4. Hold the power button briefly after charging for a while to see whether the Anbernic RG35XX responds normally. 5. Test charging again and confirm whether the Anbernic RG35XX begins showing battery activity afterward.